Hello guys, in this project I have built an Arduino keypad door lock which can be mounted to any of our existing doors to secure them with a digital password. Here I just presenting the project in a prototype version and we will learn how to make this project. Here I am giving a practical exhibition. In the screen we are asked to give the password. If we insert the correct password, here the correct password is 1234, the servo will rotate, and if we fail to give the correct password, the servo will remain in lock position. Here I am giving a wrong password. Okay, now I will show you the full process to make this project. Let's see. Before building our password based door locking project, first we need to collect the required components. Here I am using Arduino Uno R3, a 16 by 12 LCD display, though I am using 20 by 4 because I don't have a 16 by 12 LCD display at this moment. LCD is required to display the message by our Arduino. Then I am using a servo motor. This servo motor is used to push or pull the latch on the door. Here we are using a 4x4 matrix keypad for password input and manually lock our customized door locker. It consists of 16 keys, 4 keys in rows and 4 keys in columns. When a key pressed, it establishes a connection in between the corresponding rows and columns. Okay, now it's time to connect all the components. To make the proper connection, we will follow this circuit diagram. I have also provided this diagram in the description. Here we are looking that the first pin or the left side pin of matrix keypad goes to the digital pin 11 of our Arduino board, and the second pin goes to digital pin 10, then the third pin goes to 9, and by following this manner 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Here the ground pin of our servo goes to the ground pin of our Arduino, and the VCC pin of our servo motor goes to the voltage input pin of our Arduino board, and the signal pin goes to the third pin or digital pin 3 of our Arduino board. And the LCD display connected, the VCC pin of the I2C module goes to the 5V pin of our Arduino board. The ground pin of the I2C module goes to the ground pin of our Arduino board, and the SDA pin of our I2C module goes to the A4 pin of our Arduino, and the SCL pin goes to the A5 pin of our Arduino board. Okay, now we will connect all the components by using this kind of jumper wire. Okay guys, I have connected all the components together by following our diagram. Now it's time to upload the code to our Arduino board. For uploading code, now I will connect the Arduino with my computer by a USB cable. Now let's move to our computer screen. Okay guys, at first we need to download this file. I will give the download link of this file in my video description. After downloading, we will get a file like this. This is a zip file, and at first we need to unzip this file. So that right click on this file and click on extract here. Then the file will be unzipped, and this is the unzipped file. If we enter this folder, here we are looking the schematic diagram. We will connect all the components by following this diagram carefully. And now go to the library folder and copy all the 3 libraries, then go to your documents section, then go to the Arduino folder, then enter to the libraries folder and paste all the 3 libraries. I have already done this, so I don't need to repeat this. Now go to your main folder again. Okay, now open the password based door lock code. If we click on this file, the code will open in our Arduino IDE software. Now we don't need to change anything, but here just change the LCD as 16 comma 2, because if you use 16 by 2 LCD display, then you should use 16 comma 2, but I am using 20 by 4 LCD display, so that here I am using 20 comma 4. And you can change your password by in here I am using 1234. You can either use any other code, but must be it on 4 digit. Okay, now go to the tool section, select your board as Arduino Uno, and go to the port section and select the right port where your Arduino is connected. If everything is okay, now click on upload button. The code is now compiling and the code already uploaded to our Arduino board. Okay, now let's see is our project working properly. Okay friends, our project is now working properly and it asking me to give the password. If I press the correct password 1 2 3 4, the door opens, and now press the hash button to close it. If I press any wrong password, the door remain closed and I need to wait now 10 seconds to re-enter password. So guys, I hope all of you understand how to make this password based door lock project. I have provided all the necessary documents to make this project, and I will be glad if all of you will able to make this project. If you have any question about this video, please feel to comment. If you like this kind of video, you should subscribe this channel and tune up all of our existing video. Next time I will come again with another exciting project inshallah. Till then, stay with Antitronics.